Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect NerdWallet tools to your investment accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect NerdWallet tools to your investment accounts, begin by visiting the NerdWallet website. Log in to your NerdWallet account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the investing section of the website. Look for the option that says Connect Accounts or Link Investment Accounts. Click on this option to start the process. You will see a list of investment platforms and brokerage firms. Choose your investment platform from the list provided. If your broker is not listed, there may be an option for manual entry. Once you select your platform, you will be prompted to enter your account login information. This typically includes your username and password for the investment account. Ensure you are entering the correct information to avoid errors. After inputting your credentials, review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Click on the button to authorize the connection between NerdWallet and your investment account. It may take a few moments for NerdWallet to securely retrieve your account data. Once the connection is established, you will be redirected to your NerdWallet dashboard. Here, you can view your investment portfolio and utilize various tools. Explore the features available to help manage and grow your investments. If you encounter any issues, consult the support section for assistance. By following these steps, you can efficiently connect NerdWallet tools to your investment accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.